I came here before Nama had even officially started. I had just found out I was pregnant that time, so we were as nervous as Munjal was because he was starting on this new journey and so were we.
मेरी सिस्टर को ब्लड कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ। हमको डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि कोई बाजू में रहे तो वेल एंड गुड और नीट एंड क्लीन होना चाहिए। इधर का सब एक्सपीरियंस भी अच्छा है, बढ़िया है और एकदम फाइन है।
It was not even started and we just came for inquiry. So we were almost one of the first patients for the inquiry warrior.
Actually, on that day itself, it was a radiologist strike all over Mumbai, and I had to undergo an emergency sonography. No one was about there to take me up, but somehow we contacted Nama, and they were generous enough to let me in.
We wanted to come to a hospital which has good facilities, good amenities and good doctors as well.
I think that's what made me also confident that okay, let's go ahead.
Yeah, and that's one reason to come here for sure.
There's a lot of positivity I feel, that especially when the doctors take so much of care on a very personal level.
She did not have any hope to leave, but Dr. Munjal sir, he's motivated her so much that she was ready to take each and every medicine.
I think when this building was getting constructed, my dad had passed down from here and he had actually liked the way it was being really forming.
I remember when I got a discharge, that's when also Dr. Munjal told me that, anytime you think that motherhood is taking a toll on you, you want a break, you can come here, just give the baby to our other nurses and they'll all take care. You can just come and relax.
It means a lot that after your delivery also you connect, and I think I've never heard anybody talking somebody like this in this industry. So cheers, 3 cheers to Dr. Munjal.
And yeah, it's quite calm and cool. I'm like, I don't feel really like being in a hospital for sure.
डॉक्टर ने बताया कि आपको 4 दिन रुकना है, लेकिन सराउंडिंग ये ऐसा है कि 2 दिन में आप ठीक होकर जा सकते हो।
You won't feel like a patient over here.
The service starts right at the door, and since then I think you have all the security who is there and people are guiding. So the way they introduce to you the place the very first time you visit, I think they make you feel at home.
We'd see these rooms decorated with blue balloons and pink balloons, and it was just so cute,
They gave me a nice book and a beautiful picture of my baby which was being clicked on the second day. My grandchild received a jumpsuit with Namah baby.
Maybe when she's grown up and she knows to read and write, she would know where was she born, she would know
All
who was her
special
doctor
moments.
and her special moments through that book.
When you're sick or you feel sick, you want that. You want to be just, supported, you want to be comforted. It happens right from when you walk into Nama.
जब मेरा ऑपरेशन करके घर पे गई ना, उसके बाद तो मैं 2-3 बार किचन में जाने लगी। ऐसा लगा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं मुझे।
बेस्ट है, और अभी तक 5 या 7 दिन हुआ है मेरी मिसेस का ऑपरेशन हुए, और वो अभी पाँव से चल भी सकती है।
जब ही फर्स्ट दिन पे ऑपरेशन होने के बाद उसको विदिन 24 आवर्स सी विल बी रिलीफ कि नहीं अभी मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। तो उल्टा सेकंड डे पे हम लोग को बोलते हैं कि आपको किसको भी बैठना नहीं तो आप मत बैठो, यहाँ पे सब लोग केयर कर रहे हैं।
करते हैं।
Every day, every morning, each and every staff would inquire, बेबी के प्लेटलेट्स कितने हुए, बेबी ऑफ डॉली के प्लेटलेट्स कितने हुए, and of course that used to give us strength that everyone is praying for her.
There are certain things which gives you a positive vibe. This hospital gives you a positive vibe.
That was it. That was reason enough to know that, no matter what, we'll always be in good hands.
I think this is the best combination of latest technology, medical science, with the comfort, with the healing, with hope. So I think this is a very perfect blend for any patient to come in here.
Even the 5D sonography machine that he has, you get to see your child in it's like he's there, And so many times we would just reach out we're educated people, we know he's not there.
लोगों को कहना चाहेंगे बहुत बढ़िया हॉस्पिटल है और यहाँ आके अपना इलाज कराया, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
हमारे कोई भी पूछते कि कहीं हमने बोलते नमा में जाओ, आपको बहुत सही ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगा।
I would say in one word, it would be like it's a one-stop solution for me.
Even the height of the armrest or, the way he's kept his waiting room so that people can interact or, patients can talk to each other about their concerns. These things are, he's thought so much ahead already.
I have seen that Nama is the only hospital that gives you the proper treatment, no extra test or anything else. No wastage of money, no wastage of time.
It is a 5-star hospital. Like the look, the feel, everything is 5-star. You won't feel like a patient over here. You won't feel like you are coming to a hospital.
They just got closer and closer to us, and I think we were the only people. We cried when we left the hospital with our baby.
पूरा एटमोसफियर के इज़ गुड कि भाई आदमी फ्रेश होके जाता है, जब भी यहाँ से वापस जाएगा तो फ्रेश होके, ऐसे टेंशन में कह रहे मैं हॉस्पिटल में जाके आया हूँ करके.
Every doctor here, I think, they're so open with their patients here. You can ask them whatever you want. You can be as free as you want with them, and that is very important. Like that doctor-patient relationship, I have not found that yet with anyone else, you know.
Say mom, मैं दे 100 फेवरी. This is my favorite doctor.
मैं तो सोचता हूँ अगर बीमार गिरेगा तो मैं यहीं आऊँगा पहला.
According to me, the Nama is perfect, and I hope more branches are there of Nama.
I don't think there's any improvement needed. They're doing a brilliant job already.
Keep doing better, and it's great.
Kunal, see here, your baby is in your hand. You are reciting Gayatri Mantra, and your wife is smiling. I think nothing better than this can ever happen to you in life.
Here's a collage. I met with all those memorable people and my kid. Dr. Munjal, Dr. Pranali, Dr. Sneha Kotecha, my NICU nurses. I mean sisters, they are more than sisters to me now. She's the gift from Nama.
1 year to Nama already, and it's only just begun.